Are you ready to get ahead of 99% of eBay sellers in just 6 to 12 months? Well, we're gonna go over 12 powerful tips that will unleash your eBay sales potential, so don't go anywhere and hit the subscribe button for more game-changing advices. All right, focus here. Our journey begins with creating listings that captivate buyers. So here are some pro tips to help you stand out from the competition. Tip number 1, craft attention. Grabbing headlines using persuasive language and power words. Make buyers curious and excited about your product. And also, you can use the Zik's title builder to make sure that you're placing keyword ideas with a lot of demand, a lot of sales on your titles. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Zik's title builder really quick. I'm here in the market insights tool, which is an amazing tool to start with. Okay, but I'm going to scroll down just like, I don't know, choose a random product. These are all amazing products, by the way, training. Okay, so I'm just going to choose one, like, let's see, like a random one, like Mainstays, for example. The Mainstays, I love Mainstays brand. It's always good. If you don't know Mainstays is, a brand from Walmart, and it's a really good brand to use, especially for drop shipping. Okay, so we're here, and what we do, first thing that we do, we don't copy the whole title. We just copy 1 or 2 keywords that describes the product. So what is this? So this is a pool chlorine dispenser. In this case, I'm going to use 3 keywords because it's quite a specific product, right? So you go here to Zik Analytics, and then you click Title Builder. And then you type here, and this, Zik's gonna do all the magic. There's gonna be 2 columns, the long tail keyword ideas and then generic ideas. Basically, the long tail keyword ideas, they're a combination of words that people go to eBay to look for this kind of product. So when they go to eBay, they don't just say like, oh, I'm a pool, enter, or like chlorine, enter, or dispenser, enter, right? They look for these combos right here. So as you can see, the pool chlorine dispenser has 58 sales and 26 competitions. Now we have different keywords right here, which long tail keywords right here, look, that are making amazing sales with less competition. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tip. You come here to your competitor, copy the title, paste it here. And then you see there's 74 characters of 80. We have a limit of 80. And then you choose unnecessary keywords. For example, I would not put Mainstays. I would take Mainstays out if, I wouldn't put the brand on my eBay store. So this is a blue floating collapsible pool chlorine dispenser for 3 tablets. Okay, this is really specific. You can leave it there for now. But you can see here the high sales. Look at this. The sales is this one. So we don't have the maximum. What can we do? So I'm going to say here, it just, blue, take the floating, and then you put here chemical dispenser floater. Let's see if it works. Still don't find enough. So I'm going to change the item specifics, the specifics of the title. So I can put this like this. All right. Then you take, 1 dispenser. Then it's going to be like this. Chlorine chemical dispenser. All right. Chemical dispenser floater. Chemical dispenser floaters here. And then you have chlorine. And now the genetic keyword ideas, it's pretty cool because, it's just single keywords that have a lot of sales and average searches. So I would look for example, if there's anything here, this seller used here 3 inches tablets. Let's see if it fits. Okay, it fits. All right, and then we have more characters. What can we add here? We have pool, dispenser, we have dispenser, chemical, floating, floater, swimming tablets, bromine. We don't have like bromine tablet. Okay, we have tablets, bromine, swimming. But one thing that our competitor has here is this floating that I took out. And let's see, floating. It has a good sale. So maybe we can leave, go back here. All right, blue floating. All right, we take the floating and then we put here, so it makes sense. Blue floating, collapso, full. Then you have 79 out of characters. And my friends, this is a great title, much better than the competitor. And then you copy here, clipboard, and paste on your listings. And that's it, see? So tip number 2 is to create a sense of urgency in your product description. So you have to highlight limited limited quantities, time-limited offers, or exclusive deals to create buyer motivation. And tip number 3 is to use bullet points and nice clean text formats, just to enhance the readability, to make it easy to read and showcase key features. Make it easy for buyers just to, scan through the text and understand the value of your product, what your product offers, and why is it good, why does he want to buy. So the next tip is to use Zik Analytics to find products with high demand and low competition so you can sell the products with competitive price. And I'm going to show you that right now, okay? All right, so we're in Zik Analytics, Market Insights tool again, and guess what? We're going to find products with high demand and low competition starting from here. And so from here, you have, many ways to start. You can start from looking into trending eBay niches, for example. That could be your first step. Or you could just look down here at the trending eBay products in the last 7 days and go one by one and check if there's high demand and low competition. Or you can, go down here and then you see the trending drop shippers the last 30 days. And this is the way I want to show you now, because basically what it comes down to is to scan all these sellers, see their winning products, and then when we're able to see all the statistics, we can see how much sales they made in the last 30 days, sales lifetime, and also the number of competitors. So we can just scan a few of them and look, just scan these sellers right here. Go like this. Scan the sellers and let's see what they have. Let's see their winning products. Okay, so we have here, check it out. We have the Cadillac script name, what is this? Tire valve. Okay, so it's a tire valve. And then you see here there's 9 sales in the last 30 days and total sales 72 sales, and the current price is $29.9 on eBay, and there's only 5 competitors. There's only 5 competitors for this. And then here, with a simple click, you find this product on Amazon. All right. And the same thing here with other stuff like Honda Civic. What is this? It's a keychain, right? 8 sales in the last 30 days. Wow, 323 sales, total sales for this price. And look, this is just one seller. Let's look at this other seller. These are the winning products, and oh my God, check it out. This seller sold 384 times the last 30 days. All right, this product. And then we see here, there's not much competition. And then you can do the same process. And then we scroll down here, winning products. Let's see this other seller right here. We are just looking, checking out all these like trending drop shippers, all these sellers that are making so many sales, and we're trying to get their winning products. Remembering products with demand, but always checking here the competition. So like here we see this product, okay, look, it's selling well, but there's 88 competitors, 48 competitors, and so on. So we have to look for products that have less competitors. This one has, wow, 0 competitors. What is this? Hush Stripes. It's a brand, I'm not sure, so I don't want to risk it. And then you scroll down here and then you find, oh look, there's all like these different stuff that you can look for. 27 is too much competitors. And then if you don't find product here, you go back and then you look for more sellers, and then you do the same. I went back and I found another seller over there. I open here, and you scroll down here, and then you see, for example, winning products. Let's see, this was 27 sales in the last 30 days, okay, sold 39 times. And then we have 12 competitors. 12 competitors, it's okay. It's not that bad, and you can use this. But let's see, what is this, Vero? It's not really, it's just therapy. It's not a brand. But okay, let's look here, for example, how much you can make. Okay, so you see that this product has demand. Wow, you can make a nice profit. Okay, let's check it out. So this is a product that we found using the method of scanning our competitors, looking at their winning products, and eventually finding a product with high demand and low competition. So you see here, there's, it's $17 on Amazon. $17 on Amazon, and this competitor is selling for $29.99 on eBay. $29.99, and it was $35. Okay, and as you can see here, if it's not exact the same, it's very similar product. you can definitely take advantage of this. Okay, and this is how you do it. This is how you find products with high demand and low competition. And also, if you have Zik Pro, things can be much easier because you can use, for example, the autopilot. You come here, you go to Zik Pro autopilot, and then you start new scan here, and then Amazon, and then say test for YouTube. All right, and then you have all these filters from Amazon, average rating, competition. So you say maximum, I just want max to 5 competitors, and then sales, 5 sales or even 7 sales in the last 14 days. And then you put the price and the number of products within these filters, within these categories. So you can find items with high demand and low competition also through Zik Pro, Zik's autopilot feature. And as you can see here, boom, less than, I don't know, like seconds, we found enough products. So let's open here. We see the products, and then we see here. So we found 100 products. And then you see all these products with these like profits here, okay? And if you want to know more about, Zik's autopilot feature, you can look in our YouTube channel. There's many videos about them and like how to use the autopilot to make more money. And now let's turn our attention to your eBay store and supercharge its potential. These tips will help you create an impressive online presence. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Tip number 5 is to design a visually stunning eBay store banner and logo. You can use like Canva, you can use these other softwares, other platforms that are free, and they're really user-friendly. So if you don't know anything about design or Photoshop and all that stuff, you can use Canva, all right? So why would you do that? Is to make a memorable first impression and to reinforce your brand identity. Tip number 6, organize your store categories strategically. All right, so you have to ensure that products are easy to find and navigate, enhancing all the overall shopping experience and making buyers happy and feeling comfortable with your store. So our next tip is to leverage eBay's promotional tools. Offer exclusive discounts, bundles, or special deals, just to get the buyer excited and drive more sales. Tip number 8, craft an engaging about me page. All right, and this is undervalued. I see a lot of eBay sellers that don't take their time to write this about me page. And look, if you don't have any ideas or things like this, you can also go to ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, write me about me page for my store, eBay store. And then you just give like certain, 3 or 4 bullet points and make it engaging, and boom, there you have it. You copy and paste, because it's really important to tell your unique story and connect with buyers on a personal level, building trust and loyalty. And this is very important, and it doesn't take that much time. Okay. Really, it doesn't. ChatGPT is here for you to help you out. So I'm really curious about this. What is your experience with customer support in your store? Like, let me know by commenting below, because this is a really exciting part and really crucial part, right, for our business. And here are some pro tips to help you provide an outstanding experience. So tip number 9 is to quickly respond to customer inquiries. Just be proactive and provide detailed, helpful answers to their questions. Tip number 10 is to go the extra mile. I'm talking about including personalized notes or small surprises with orders, just to make the customers happy and leave like a good impression, which will make easier for our next tip. And tip number 11 is to embrace feedback. So if you do all the tips, the previous tip, it will be easier for you. So you have to use customer reviews to continuously improve your products and service quality. So you have to listen to your buyers, adapt accordingly, and don't feel ashamed of, or don't feel like you're crossing boundaries if you're asking for positive feedback. If you did a good job, if you did like a good service, there's nothing wrong for asking that. Okay, now let's go for our final tip. Tip number 12. So you have to implement a hassle-free return policy. Return policies It's like also one of the most crucial parts of our business, because if you do that correctly, this is going to reassure buyers and also builds confidence in their purchase, leading to more sales in the long run. You know, like, come on, let's talk about like here, personal experience. I'm sure that you have bought items knowing that if something goes wrong, you could return it safely without any problems. And that's why you bought the item instead of, you know, buying from another competitor or something like this. Me personally, before buying anything online, I always look for the return policies. It just makes me more comfortable on buying the item, and I know if something goes wrong, it's easier to be resolved. Okay. Yeah, so that was pretty quick, 12 tips, and I hope that you liked this video. Now I just want to say something here. Just remember that success on eBay comes with persistence, with continuous learning and adapting to the ever-changing marketplace. So you have to stay ahead of the curve, you know, use Zik Analytics and embrace the new opportunities. Keep moving forward, and see you next time.